Gravitrax is the perfect mix between a Lego and a roller coaster, teaching you about gravity and kinetics while also having a ton of fun. Our box is organized and secure, but we recommend that you bring a friend to help you load it into the back of your car or the trunk, as it is quite heavy. Once you've opened your box, this is some of the materials you're going to have. Base plates, which are the footprint and foundation of your track system. Risers, which are going to create that gravitational potential energy to launch your marbles down your track. Your tracks themselves, which will guide their marbles to the finish line. And some of our awesome effect and action pieces that do all sorts of fun little bits for when you're looking to spice things up just a little bit more. And then, of course, marbles, the heart of the entire system. Once you've got the basics, add in some interesting elements like ramps, bridges, obstacles, or traps, and see how far you can make your marble go. Mistakes might be made, but that's all right. It's all part of the fun. Keep experimenting and trying new things until your marble reaches the end of the track. Once you're done, take time as a team to clean up all the pieces. The boxes are labeled for easy organization. This keeps the pieces clean and organized, safe for next time. That's it. We're so happy that you tried out this Gravitrax kit. Now you are a certified Gravitrax engineer. Have fun, stay safe, and as always, thank you from your Airdrie Public Library.